Hello, my name is Mary from Mary's Kitchen MTL. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make soft and delicious orange chocolate chip brioche muffins. The ingredients can be measured with a cup or weighed with a digital scale. Here is my recipe, and these are the ingredients. We'll begin by dissolving the yeast. You will need 1 1/4 cups of lukewarm whole milk, 2 1/4 teaspoons of dry yeast, and 1/2 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Mix it a little and set it aside for 5 to 15 minutes until the yeast activates. In a large bowl, sift 4 cups of all-purpose flour and set it aside. Grease a large bowl with melted unsalted butter and set it aside. You will need 2 large eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of melted cooled unsalted butter, the zest of 1 orange, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of Strega or Limoncello liqueur, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Attach the paddle to your stand mixer. Add the eggs and sugar and beat on medium-high speed until light and fluffy for about 5 minutes. Add the butter, orange zest, vanilla extract, Strega or Limoncello liqueur. Continue beating until combined. It's important that the yeast foams on the surface before adding it in. This means that the yeast is fresh and your dough will rise nicely. Pour it in and just add a little water to rinse it all out. Beat for 1 minute. Add the flour in gradually while beating on low speed. Once all the flour has been added, knead for 10 minutes on medium speed. Scrape down the sides of the bowl when needed. After 10 minutes, remove the paddle and scrape down the sides of the bowl. The dough will be tacky. Preheat your oven to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the dough inside the buttered bowl and then cover with plastic wrap and a clean kitchen towel. Place the dough inside the warm oven and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours until it doubles in size. Turn the temperature off and keep the oven light on. In the meantime, grease 2 jumbo muffin tins with soft butter. Grease the surface as well. Place both tins on a large tray. This will keep your oven floor clean. Once the dough has doubled, dust your work surface with some flour and let the dough fall on its own. Dust with flour and spread the dough out with your fingers into a 10 by 18 inch rectangle. Use a pastry cutter to straighten the dough. Scatter the chocolate chips and then roll the dough into a log. Use the pastry cutter to push the dough as you are rolling it. Sprinkle flour on your work surface. Cut the dough in 12 equal pieces. Flatten each piece with your fingers, roll the dough, and repeat one more time to blend the chocolate chips. Pinch the dough to seal and then shape into a smooth ball. Place the ball inside the muffin holder. Repeat this process with the remaining pieces of dough. Once again, preheat your oven to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the brioche with parchment paper and place them inside the warm oven. Let them rise for 1 hour with the temperature off and the light on. 5 minutes before the hour, prepare the egg wash. Whisk 1 large egg yolk at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of lukewarm milk, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Remove the brioche from the oven and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, brush the brioche with the egg wash. Place the brioche on the second to last oven rack and bake them for 25 to 27 minutes until golden brown. Let them cool for 10 minutes and then remove them from the tins. Let them cool completely on a wire rack. They bake just right and they smell wonderful. Let's cut one open. This brioche has a very soft, fluffy, and light crumb. The chocolate and the orange zest is a delicious combination and they complement each other just perfectly. I hope that you enjoy this delicious treat. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and please leave me a comment. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.